Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new tool that I developed basically in order to increase the AdSense earning for you. Basically this is a script here. We are giving here string case converter project here. Basically here guys you will enter any sort of string here, and basically this will convert into uppercase, lowercase. So this is a utility tool kind of a website that I developed here, and I am offering this tool for 100 rupees here. In the description of the video you will find out for 100 rupees the script is there. It is built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You will see that basically I have written some text here, and there are some options here. You can convert this to uppercase, you can convert this to lowercase, start case, invert case as well, sentence case, camel case as is also there, Pascal case is also there. This is a snake case. So various options are there. So basically if you want to copy paste some text here and you want to convert them into various cases out there, this is a kebab case, and you will find out there will be many cases out there. So basically this is a tool kind of a website which you can monetize using AdSense, and you can easily earn around $2 per day because there is not much competition out there. You can purchase a domain name and then you can deploy this tool. You need to write some test content. Just at the bottom side, just make sure that you write some test content, just letting the user know how to use this app. You can see this, if you press this button it will convert this into a camel case. If you want to convert this to uppercase, lowercase, and then if you want to copy this text you can click on the copy button, so your text will be copied to clipboard. And then basically there is a reset button. If you want to delete everything, then you will press this button, restore, so everything will be deleted here. So basically you can see that you can copy paste any sort of length text here. So basically let's suppose I copy some random text here. So if I say India wiki, so you can take as many text as you want. So simply user will come to your website and basically whenever they want to just do it, they can use your tool. Simple tool is it. It is built entirely in JavaScript. Basically it's a static tool. You can see uppercase, then lowercase. This is the start case here. You can see that invert case is also there, sentence case, all. This is the camel case, you will see that. So this is the Pascal case. So if I once again paste that text here, Pascal's case is little bit different. Basically it will have this, you can see this is a Pascal case. Let me show you the snake case. Snake case, make sure that it put after every word, basically it put is underscore like this. This is the snake case. And when it comes to this kebab case, basically it put a hyphen. You will see after every word it put a hyphen here. So then you can copy this text here, copy to clipboard, or you can restore it. Just delete this. This is a very simple word processing software guys, or tool you may say. That is the change case converter online tool which you can monetize using AdSense. You can earn I think $2 if you just purchase a domain name similar to exact match domain. Just search here change case converter. You can see various tools are there. This is the website which is ranking on #1 position. So not a lot of competition is there. You can purchase a domain name, you can use my tool. So whenever you purchase it guys for 100 rupees here, so you fill out your details, put your email address, card information, then click on pay, and then you will be redirected to my Google Drive. Here we can download the zip file. After you download the zip file guys, it will have this single 3 kilobytes file will be there. So inside this, if you just need to extract this, and after this it will have a single file which is called as this case convert.html. So this is basically the code guys. You will see I have coded from scratch here. This is the CSS and this is basically the JavaScript also. So not a lot of code, but still you can see that it is a lot of code here. That's why I'm charging. You can see 413 lines of code. So it is all built using on the static side. It's an online tool, so no server side code is involved here. So basically you can see that. So if I open with live server, you will see this is I am opening on localhost. So this is the tool here. You can see that. So this is actual tool, guys. So if you want to interested, you can buy this tool. Just go to the description of the video and you can buy this tool. It's a very simple tool. You can monetize it with the Google AdSense and you can get approval with Google AdSense. You just need to write some test content just after that. Just add some unique screenshots. Just try to write some content how to use this tool and you will be able to get traffic and earn good income. So thank you very much guys for watching this video.